Biomolecules. Part 3. Classification. Before we start, we have to understand cellular pool and its classification. As we stated before, cellular pool is collection of sum total of different types of biomolecules, compounds and ions in a cell. There are two types of cellular pool. Point 1. Inorganic. 2. Organic. Inorganic constituent of cellular pool are minerals, gases and water. Minerals occur in the form of salts, ions, Cl, sodium chloride, calcium carbonate. Inorganic substances do not contain carbon along with hydrogen. Organic constituents. These are lipids, carbohydrates, amino acid proteins, enzymes and nucleotides. These molecules occur in both aqueous and non-aqueous phases. Organic molecules possess both carbon and hydrogen. So most of biomolecules are organic compounds. The cells are able to maintain their specific cellular pool through 3 steps. 1. Selective intake of materials from outside. Point 2. Their metabolism inside cell. Point 3. Selective elimination of specific chemicals. This is done by covering the cell by plasma membrane. This membrane possesses selective permeability and retentivity. The chemicals of cellular pool function as raw materials for carrying out various biochemical reactions of the cell. Depending on their molecular weight and solubility, biomolecules fall into categories. 1. Micromolecules. 2. Macromolecules. Micromolecules. These are small-sized chemicals. Features: low molecular weight, below 1000 Dalton, that is 18 to 800 Dalton. High solubility and simple conformation. These are found in acid-soluble pool. Micromolecules may be organic or inorganic. Include water, gases, minerals, sugars, amino acids and nucleotides. Macromolecules. Large-sized complex chemicals. Features: have high molecular weight above 1000 Dalton, except lipid, resin available at end. Low solubility and complex colloidal conformation. Usually found at acid-insoluble pool. Always organic. Generally belong to 4 classes: protein, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid. Except lipid. Macromolecules are polymers, formed by polymerization of subunits called as monomers. Macromolecules have 3-dimensional structures, so they can form structural components of cells, and act as genetic or molecular messenger. Lipids are considered as macromolecules although they have molecular weight less than 800 Dalton. Actually, lipids are not water-soluble. They get separated in acid-soluble fraction, along with other macromolecules. Otherwise, lipids are not strictly macromolecules. Detailed study of how to analyze chemicals available on next video of the series. Keep tuned, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more biological videos first. Bye, we will meet on next video.